we completely redesigned our pricing structure. We brought prices down by 20% on over 95% of the geometries we were doing with MJF.
TriMech are a solutions provider. We supply solutions to design engineers, general engineers and manufacturers. We're particularly expanding our market we operate within over recent years. And one of the areas we see as key is to expand into the additive manufacturing arena. So from the first time of visiting 3D Print UK and meeting the team there, we were very, very impressed with the quality of what they offered and the quality of the people who were running the organisation. And that made them a very, very appealing option for us to have them join the group. And we knew that with significant investment, we could scale what they had, so keep the quality, keep the fantastic lead times that they offer, and actually drive down the prices by somewhere up to 50% just through investment.
Hi, I'm Nick Allen, CEO and founder of 3D Print UK Limited. I'm thrilled to announce the latest expansion plans that we have set for 2025. As of January 2025, we're going to be expanding our capacity by a whopping 60%, taking our portfolio from 5 to 8 machines, making us the largest MJF bureau in the UK by a country mile. This capacity increase should keep our lead times down to an absolute minimum. We completely redesigned our pricing structure. We brought prices down by 20% on over 95% of the geometries we were doing with MJF.
As well as up to 50% off on higher volume orders.
Finally, on the quality side, we will also be launching our ramp calibration system across all of our powder bed fusion technologies.
We maintain the standard of all of these machines by adding in a calibration item inside of every build that gets measured and the data gets collected. Having an immense amount of data allows us to spot any environmental or internal trends, which means that we can act proactively with these machines and solve problems before they happen.
This is a layer 2 calibration system that we've designed in-house that takes thousands of data points across hundreds of builds to hone in the accuracy of all of our machines. This is added on top of the OEM calibration systems to ensure that we have the greatest repeatability, reliability and strength of MJF parts within the industry.
Reducing the prices that we offer is strategic. It's obviously good for the customer that they get a lower unit cost, and it's strategic for us in that it allows us to overlap with traditional processes that we previously didn't for greater volumes, higher batch quantities. That allows us to, for people to stay with additive manufacturing for longer, and it allows us to move into areas that we weren't in previously. It's really about increasing our target market, as well as offering better prices per unit. And in driving all of those things forwards, we think we've got the best facility that there is in the UK.